Salams and welcome. Thank you for joining me in the opening chapter of the Heilige Quran. We're busy with the English and the Afrikaans translations. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. In de naam van Allah, die barmhartige, die genadige. Alle lof kom Allah toe, die Heer van die wêrelde, die barmhartige, die genadige. Meester van die oordeelsdag, U alleen aanbied ons en U alleen smeek ons om hulp. Lei ons op die regte weg, die weg van hulle aan wie U guns bewys het, nie die weg van hulle wie U toorn verdien nie, of die weg van hulle wat afgedwaal het nie. So let's see what the English of that looks like. This is from Marmaduke Pickthall. And in Afrikaans, the aanhef is known as the opening. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. So we got there. In de naam van Allah, die barmhartige, die genadige. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Praise be to Allah, Lord of the worlds, the Beneficent, the Merciful, Owner of the Day of Judgment. You alone we worship, you alone we ask for help. Show us the straight path, the path of those whom you have favored, not the path of those who earn your anger, nor of those who go astray. Ameen. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.